everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we were discussing some the elegance of Myanmar traditional wedding dress. Against the backdrop of golden sunshine, Myanmar's traditional wedding dress shine with unparalleled elegance. Let's explore the beauty and significance of these stunning garments. The traditional wedding dress is looking so beautiful. Look at your screen. Here are some designs in gold and silver and many other colors. In this culture, the traditional wedding dress is an integral part of wedding ceremony. The golden color represents wealth, royalty, and spirituality. In this traditional signifies couple bright future filled with happiness and prosperity. It is a symbol of their commitment to each other and their new life together. This dress looking so elegant and make your look unique in your wedding dress. In this culture, the traditional wedding dress is always looking gorgeous. Today, designers are reinterpreting traditional Myanmar wedding dresses with modern twist. Golden and silver continue to shine, blending tradition with contemporary style. The result is stunning fashion of old and new. In this culture, the traditional wedding dress symbolizes purity, elegance, and modesty. The intricate pattern and designs on the fabric represent the country's rich culture, heritage, and the couple's commitment to each other. The dress is also believed to bring good luck and prosperity to new lands. White traditional wedding dresses are still an integral part of this culture. Modern designers have put their own spins on the classic designs. Fabric, colors, and patterns are being incorporated into the traditional dresses, making them even more stunning and unique. These dresses are elegant and looking so beautiful on the brides. Wedding dress is true reflection of the country's rich culture, heritage. Its elegance, beauty, and symbolism make it an integral part of any wedding. Whether traditional or modern, these dresses are sure to make any wedding ceremony unforgettable. In Myanmar's rich culture, heritage traditional wedding dresses shine with golden elegance. On your screen, you see mostly of the golden color, which looking beautiful. Today we will explore the significance and beauty of these stunning garments, particularly in golden and many other colors. The traditional wedding dress known as Hatsam. In Myanmar's culture, the traditional wedding dress is an integral part of the wedding ceremony. The golden and white color reflect the country's rich history and cultural heritage. The dress is a symbol of couple respect. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe.